Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Sits Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today is Things We Are Making Thursday. So I just want to jump on here real quick to share my progress with you guys. And it is still not too late to go ahead and join in this collaboration if you're wanting to. You can join the Facebook group if you so choose want to do that and ask any questions or just want to share your overall progress. If you are not a content creator, content creators are more than welcome to join as well. But if you do not do Facebook, then my email will be down in the description box if you need any help or just have any questions or want to share your progress as well, along with all of the other content creators. Their links will be down in the description box, so feel free to ask myself or anybody else that is in the collaboration, and the pattern link will be in the description box as well. So last week I did have the head and the body completed. This week I wanted to get the horns and the ears attached on the head and then get the head attached to the body, and I have completed my my overall goal for this week. Now next week I am wanting to get the arms and the legs and the tail, and then I will be completely done with my giraffe. It is going to be a spotless giraffe, and he is a little chunker. Very, very cute. My daughter, as soon as I got the head on, she immediately grabbed it and started playing with it. I was like, no, I'm not complete. Once Gary is completed, you can have Gary. So yeah, that is my overall progress. I have tweaked the head a little bit to my own, and then I also did tweak the horns and the ears, working with a smaller yarn than what it was calling for, which was a velvet yarn. That pattern kind of was a little too tight for this yarn, and it was just a little hard to work with the pattern, so I did alternate it a little bit. But that is my Gary. So please stay tuned for next week to see the finished product, and also go check out all the other content creators in this collaboration. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys Friday and Saturday. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you Friday. Bye.